I think capital protection is probably the most important thing that all of us can do with our portfolios. Warren Buffett always says, rule number one, don't lose money. And I think that's exactly what I meant by being careful with the stocks that you have. I think you've got a little bit of a leeway again because the Federal Reserve has moved very dramatically from being thinking about 2 or 3 rate hikes to now being completely dovish with no rate hikes this year. And I think it allows the markets to let out the animal spirits again a bit more over the next maybe couple of months to 3 months. But the economic cycle is long in its tooth. Interest rates are at lows. Unemployment is at its lows. This environment can't continue on forever. And therefore, if you're thinking more from a 3 to 5 year perspective, which is what I do, I think caution is definitely warranted. A recession, I think, firstly, is almost a good thing from a capitalism perspective. We keep talking about the recession and worrying about the recession. But, recession is part of the economic cycle. It will come through, and it comes through, it allows a reset. It allows zombie companies to disappear. They should not exist. They disappear over a period of time. Companies which have very strong management teams actually come out much stronger through a recession. I'll give you an example of JP Morgan, which had a very good recession, if you can call it that, in 08, 09. But the management team used that very smartly to continue to spend on technology, where everyone else in their competitive dynamics, the other banks like Citigroup and Wells Fargo, decided to be conservative. So they were aggressive and contrarian when everybody else was very worried about the environment around them. And because of what they did during that recession in terms of continuing to spend on technology, they managed to build new businesses over a period of time, and the company became even stronger as it came through the recession. So those are the characteristics that you're looking for. You're looking for management teams who are like experienced captains who can navigate rough waters, because rough waters will probably come in the next 2 or 3 years, which is a recession. But if you have those captains navigating your ship, I think you come out fine on the other side. Captains that I like are names in my fund. Merck's a great name, which is on the pharmaceutical side. JP Morgan is a holding because I continue to have high confidence in Jamie Dimon. Microsoft is a name I like. I have high confidence in Satya Nadella. So my confidence really stems from the captain of the ship, rather than just thinking about the stocks that I want to own or not want to own because of a recession.